Now, how does the fuel powering your gadgets and machines reach you? Well, our reporter Trevor Ngendo followed the Petroleum Products Pipeline Transportation Network, covering 1,342 kilometers from Mombasa through Nairobi, Nakuru and Eldoret to Kisumu, and filed the following report.
It takes a sophisticated infrastructure and several key steps to receive fuel from vessels. The process begins with the arrival of a vessel carrying fuel products at the new Kipevu Oil Terminal, an offshore facility capable of accommodating 3 ships concurrently. With a total capacity of 4,500 cubic meters, it takes at least 30 hours to unload a single vessel, utilizing specialized equipment and pipelines for the smooth transfer of the fuel to large capacity tanks designed to hold up to 326 million liters of super petrol, diesel and jet fuel, with a dedicated channel to Moi International Airport, boasting a 7 million litre storage capacity. Before initiating the transportation process, rigorous quality control checks are done to ensure the fuel meets local standards.
The process of oil transportation begins here at pump station number 1 with this line 5 carrying 3 products, that is petrol, diesel and kerosene, going underground for 450 kilometers to Nairobi under high pressure. It takes an average of 4 days for the products to arrive in Nairobi at a capacity of 86 million liters of oils.
Diesel, also known as AGO, is loaded first, followed by DPK containing Jet A1 and kerosene components, followed by diesel as a buffer, before MSP, also known as super petrol, is loaded onto a single 20-inch pipe operating under high pressure to prevent mixing and facilitate the efficient and rapid transfer of large volumes of fuel over the 450-kilometer distance between Mombasa and Nairobi. Through the transportation process, several pump stations, each with 2 remotely controlled parallel pumps, boost the pressure. The pipeline is monitored using technology capable of detecting any deviations and anomalies in the flow pressure for prompt action. In Nairobi, Jet A1 is directed to JKI loading depot to serve the airport and Wilson Airport. When the fuel is pumped to Nairobi, it is directed to these storage facilities, which is then piped to the Nakuru loading depot. Here, oil marketers load their trucks and distribute to local and regional markets. The line continues until Sinindet, where the distribution line branches into 2, with Line 2 spanning 325 kilometers to Eldoret and Line 3 spanning 121 kilometers to Kisumu, culminating the 1,342-kilometer long pipeline.
And from Mombasa to Kisumu, this now serves as the endpoint distribution hub for the Kenya Pipeline Company, where, unlike in Mombasa, where it's offloaded from vessels, here it's loaded onto a vessel once a week with a carrying capacity of 4.5 million liters, which is equivalent to 150 trucks on the road, with the destination being Uganda to go and serve the rest of the region. Trevor Ngendo for KBC Channel 1 in Kisumu County.